Tired of the same old bank card? Let's turn your Wells Fargo card into a statement piece. First things first, you'll need to head over to the official Wells Fargo website, navigate to your account dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your banking services. Once logged in, look for the section pertaining to your debit or credit card. You'll likely find an option like card customization, design your card, or personalize your card. Click on that to begin. Wells Fargo offers a fantastic selection of pre-designed templates. You can choose from a variety of artistic styles, from modern abstracts to nature-inspired scenes. Browse through the gallery and see which one speaks to you. But why stop there? For a truly unique touch, you can upload your own photo. Click on the Upload Image option. You'll be prompted to select a photo from your computer. Make sure your image meets Wells Fargo's guidelines for content and quality to ensure it prints well. After uploading your image, you'll likely have tools to resize, reposition, and even adjust the color vibrancy. Play around with it until your chosen image looks perfect on the card mock-up. Once you're happy with your personalized design, simply confirm your choices and proceed to order your new card. This usually involves a brief review and confirmation step. And there you have it, your very own custom Wells Fargo card, ready to add a personal flair to your everyday transactions.